The answer is Sringeri Srinivas got into a problem when the people around him were refusing bananas. How did he solve the problem? Answer is he took the help from the farmers center in Daduru and became a banana halwa seller soon. Number 2 question is, why did the child start laughing? The answer is, the child started laughing because the priest was so surprised at getting the banana packet that he forgot to chant. Next, in the page 15, some words are written in the red letters. The red letters words are called collective nouns. Collective nouns are the names of a group or collection of persons or things taken as a whole. When the same things, same kind of things are taken as a whole, they are together, we name them in a word, and all these words are collective nouns. Like packet, bundle, crowd, they all are collective nouns. What is a packet? A packet means a small paper or cardboard container in which things are packed for selling. That is meant packet is a small paper or container in which some things are kept tightly together. Next, bundle. A bundle means number of things tied or wrapped together. Suppose sticks, right? Some sticks are tightly closed together in a bundle. So we keep sticks in a bundle. A crowd means a large group of people who have gathered to do something. When so many people are all together to do something, we put them as a crowd. We tell them a crowd. Now I will show you the book. In the page 16, we have 3 columns: packet, bundle and crowd. Some options are given here and we have to consider, then we have to choose the right ones here. Which things do we keep in packet? Chips and biscuits. So the answer for this column is chips and biscuits. Next is bundle. Which things do we keep in bundle? Answer is sticks, newspaper and cloths. We keep them in bundle. Third one is crowd. People and traders. They are the persons, so many people, when they are all together to do something, we put them in a crowd. So that people and traders are crowd. Okay? Next, we are coming to this section. I am telling you what does two word means. Two. This word two means so many in number. So many, more than is acceptable or possible. If I give you so many chocolates, then you will say, ma'am has given me too many chocolates. Right? That you have never expected, or that is not possible also. Too many. Rewrite these sentences using two. Number 1 is, my stomach is full. I had much food today. In this sentence, we have to consider where to put two word. You cannot put this word everywhere or anywhere. You have to read the sentence aloud again and again and then you can put it. So the answer is, my stomach is full. I had too much food today. Number 2. The bus was crowded there were many people on it. Answer is, the bus was crowded, there were too many people on it. Number 3 is, do you think the room is very dark? The answer is, do you think the room is too dark? Number 4, this shirt is tight for me. Please make it loose. Answer is, this shirt is too tight for me. Please make it loose. Number 5 is, there is much salt in my soup. I cannot have it. Answer is, there is too much salt in my soup. I cannot have it. Next, I am going to show these all answers in my copy. Now we are in the page 16 and here we have some jumbled words. I think it will be an interesting work to solve it at your home, but I have already done for you, so you will also try by your own also. The number 1 is curious, CURIOUS. The number 2 is traders, TRADERS. Number 3 is market, MARKET. The number 4 is wrapped, WRAPPED. Number 5 is quality, QUALITY. Number 6 is offer, OFFER. In number C, read these sentences, read these words aloud. Pay attention to the sound of A in the words. These all are rhyming words. Okay, now we will read them aloud. Race, safe, red, dead, came, let. They all are rhyming words and they have used the letter A that have a similar sound. Okay? Write 4 more words where A has the same sound. Here I have written the 4 words, but you may use the other words where A has the same sound. My words are pace, base, case and face. You may use it or even you may collect from others also.